the hubba, the elixir, in 40 plus mile an hour winds. Oh, you're up on the Easdale Tarn. Look at where we were perched last night. Quite high up. So we got quite a lot of the wind. Spent the pole on my elixir. I don't know what damage it's done to the hubba. As you can see, the hubba is coming worse off. Beautiful area, Easdale Tarn. We're up in the lakes. Even better when there's not a massive storm. There is another tarn just over, I think it's Grisdale Tarn or wherever it is, I think just over there. Never actually been to it. Another tarn on the side of the road at Elm Crag. Can't remember what that one's called. That might be Grisdale Tarn, I can't remember. I'm not up on the lakes, unfortunately. But what we're going to do now, we're going to try and drop his tents, go home.
No, we're not, we're on Ambleside.
We're going to Ambleside in that place. So, thanks for watching. Keep on wild camping. Catch up with you on the little adventures. Ciao for now.